instant. So now we set up the static MAC address to the switch. To specify which port a host can connect to, one option is to create a static map of the host MAC address to the port. Set up a static map address on Ethernet fax 0/1 using the address that was recorded for PCA. The MAC address for PCA is 0000.0C01.7EDA. This is the MAC address of the PC, so I will copy it. And now I will use the MAC address of our PCA and configure the static MAC address table by using command in global configuration mode MAC address table static. The address and in VLAN 99 for interface fax Ethernet 0/1. This long statement is required when we want to configure, we want to set up a static MAC address for a specific interface in the switch and for a specific VLAN ID. So now we can show again, we can identify again by using show MAC address table. So you will see the MAC address that switch did not learn from any port, but we have assigned statically to it. So it will record that static map from the MAC address from physical address and map that physical address to the port that we configure static. And if you don't want to assign, a statically, you can let the switch learn it automatically or dynamically. And if you want to remove the static map entry in global configuration mode and want to remove the static entry, you can use the remove command by putting a no in front of the command string, by using no before the command string, like this. This statement if you set the static address, but if you want to remove it from the MAC address table, you can use no before the statement. So it will erase all any static map. And we can verify again. So MAC address table. So you see the MAC address table is in black. In the video, the purpose is want to teach you how to configure basic setting on the switch and configure switch module interface IP address for remote management purpose and teach you how to configure static MAC address table and teach you how to remove the MAC address table on the switch. And at the end of the video I will show you how to initialize and reload a router and switch. The router and the switch process is the router and switch process of reloading and initializing is the same. And now let's start to initialize and reload the router and switch. If you want to reload and initialize the router or switch, the first thing you need to do is you go into private mode and then you erase every configuration file that you have checked by enter the erase startup config. Erase startup config will remove the startup configuration from NVRAM. Will remove the startup configuration from NVRAM. It means any configuration file, any configuration command that you have applied to the switch will be removed from the file, and the switch will in default state. So now I will erase all any configuration that I have changed, but I want to show you so running. So we have do many configuration command apply to the switch, but I want to erase the configuration, and I want the switch to be in the default state. So by using the erase startup configuration, the switch will remove the running configuration file and the switch will be in the default state. So now erase startup, and then after we use this command, the status show that erasing the NVRAM file system will remove all configuration file. Will remove all configuration file. So we can show again. So run. But the change is the same. The change is not removed. So why? The reason is we need to reload the switch. We need to reboot the switch again, and after it reboot, it will go into the state, the default state. So now by reloading the switch, we need to use the reload command in private mode. So the switch will reboot again. Enter, confirm. Note, you may receive a prompt asking to save the running configuration file prior to the reloading the router. Respond by typing no and press enter. Okay, again, you may receive a prompt like this. You may receive a prompt like this. Yes. You type yes or no. you I know. Okay, as you can see, when you erase anything, the switch will be the same state. So now we have no password need when we log into console, and when we log into private mode, the password is not brown again because we erase any running configuration file that we have shown in this video. So now my video tutorial is completed, and I think you should get a big information on configuring basic switch. And the next video I will show you the information on VLAN configuration and ISA configuration. But in this video you have get the remote management on the switch by using Telnet remote protocol, but I will show you in the next video how to configure ISA and VLAN configuration. So thank you for watching my video. See you guys later.